Welcome back to another scalping lesson. Soil here, and today I want to teach you a 5-minute scalping strategy that gives perfect buy sell signals. As I said, this is a 5-minute scalping strategy. So here we set the chart time frame on 5 minutes. This is the price chart of euro to US dollar, but no limitation on this, and you can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's forex, crypto, or stocks. The only requirement in terms of the asset or market is trading volume and liquidity, because this is a scalping strategy and the profit and loss that we're going to take are small in terms of price movement, so we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. In this trading strategy, we have two indicators. For adding them, here we click on indicators and we simply search their name. The first indicator that we want to add is called intraday long and short 5min, this one, which is written by someone named Next1008, and we will use this indicator with its default settings. This indicator is specifically designed for scalping on 5 minutes time frame. Based on the author of the indicator, you can use this indicator on lower time frames or higher time frames like 15 minutes, but he recommended to use this indicator on 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, this indicator has added some red and green triangles to our chart, which are actually buy sell signals based on breaking of this dynamic support and resistance levels. And the next indicator that we should add is CCI, this one, Commodity Channel Index. And for this indicator, we should change its settings. Here for the length, we set it at 100. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and let's see how we trade based on this 5-minute scalping strategy. Trading based on this strategy is very simple, and you just need to be focused on the signals and the CCI. When we have a sell signal, in other words, we have a signal for opening a short position, CCI should be below 0. If CCI is above 0, like this case, the signal is rejected. And when we have a buy signal, CCI should be above 0. So if CCI is above 0, like this case that we have here, the buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position here as the new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low, and the profit order for this trade is set at the level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 2. And as you can see, this is a successful trade. Moving on the chart, here we have a sell signal, but CCI is above 0, so this signal is rejected. And for this buy signal, because CCI is above 0, it's a confirmed signal, so we can enter another long position here as the new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low, and the profit for this trade is set at the level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 2. And as you can see, it's a successful trade. Here for this sell signal, CCI is above 0, so the signal is rejected. And for this buy signal, because CCI is above 0, it's a confirmed signal, and in practice we would enter a long position here. But as you can see, this position ends up in loss, and this is the most important point of this strategy that you must pay attention. Although this strategy has high degree of accuracy, but like any other trading strategies, this strategy also generates false signals, and you should expect having false signals like this. There is no strategy with 100% guaranteed signals, and you always need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it later so you learn how to effectively manage your risk. Alright, moving on the chart, here we have a sell signal. CCI is below 0, so the sell signal is confirmed, and we can enter a short position here as the new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high, and the profit order for this trade is set at the level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 2. Here we have a buy signal, but because CCI is below 0, it's not confirmed. And for this sell signal, because CCI is below 0, it's a confirmed signal, and we can enter another short position here. And this trade is also a successful trade, as you can see. Here we have a buy signal. The CCI is below 0, so the signal is rejected. And moving on the chart, here we have a sell signal, but it's not confirmed because CCI is above 0. And for this buy signal, it's a confirmed signal because CCI is above 0, and we can enter a long position based on this signal here as this new candle is opened. And this trade is also a successful trade, as you can see. Please pay attention that this strategy is a trend following strategy. strategy, which means we enter in the current direction of the market based on what CCI is guiding us. So this strategy, in times that we have a sudden reversal in the market trend, like this example I showed you earlier, we may encounter false signals. Or in times that the market is in a trading range, in range markets also this strategy is prone to produce false signals. So paying attention to price action for identifying range market or using some indicators like ADX will help you to stop trading when the market is not trending. The most effective way is price action analysis. I have a guide on this, the link is in the description, and I recommend you to watch it and learn how you can correctly identify when the market is trending or not trending. As I explained earlier, no strategy can generate 100% guaranteed signals, and you must manage the risk properly. I highly recommend you to watch my video about 1% rule risk management so you will learn how you can effectively manage your risk. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.